Once upon a time, many wondrous things happened on our earth. It was a time filled with magic, myths, and talking animals. It was during such a time that a sage named Agastya lived. He was filled with immense wisdom and kindness. Everyone listened intently when he spoke. His eyes always sparkled with intelligence. Even when he sat quietly under a tree, a sense of calm spread throughout the forest. At one point, people suffered greatly from illnesses. To alleviate their suffering, Sage Agastya embarked on a long journey to find a magical herb. He crossed forests, climbed mountains, and traversed rivers. His path was filled with beautiful flowers and tall trees. But this forest was no ordinary forest. It was an enchanted forest. Many surprises and dangers lay hidden within it. As Sage Agastya walked through the forest, he suddenly saw large, bright flowers. These flowers, however, stood still, emitting a peculiar light. As Agastya approached, the flowers began to weave a delicate web around him. Yes, they were magic snare flowers. Slowly, they began to entrap him. Agastya didn't know what to do. As he struggled, he suddenly heard some sounds from the treetops. With a chirping sound, a troop of monkeys appeared. They weren't ordinary monkeys. They were very intelligent, mischievous, but extremely loyal monkeys. When they saw Agastya, they put aside all their mischief and came forward to help him. The monkeys swung from tree to tree, holding on to branches, and tore apart the web of the magic snare flowers. Agastya was greatly surprised. A troop had come to help him. Agastya befriended these monkeys. The monkeys admired Agastya's wisdom and his calmness. They accepted him as their friend. From then on, he was not alone. This mischievous but loyal troop of monkeys joined him. They journeyed together into the dense forest. The monkeys swung above the trees, and Agastya followed them with a smile. Sometimes the monkeys playfully swung on tree branches, and Agastya laughed too. As they continued their journey, the forest gradually grew darker, and a strange sound began to be heard. Amidst the large, ancient trees, an angry forest spirit lived. This spirit disliked anyone disturbing its peace. Its eyes glowed red with anger, and it let out a growling sound. The forest spirit roared in anger when it saw Agastya and the monkey troop. With its magical powers, it rolled large boulders and caused dense trees to fall in their path. This was a big challenge. But Agastya was not afraid. He thought calmly. The monkeys were also very intelligent, weren't they? Agastya quietly whispered ideas to the monkeys. The monkeys, using their speed and agility, leaped over the boulders. By rapidly shaking the branches of large trees and making various mischievous sounds, they diverted the forest spirit's attention. The forest spirit became confused. The monkeys, with their coordination and Agastya's guidance, thwarted the forest spirit's tricks. The forest spirit eventually grew tired, exhausted, and went to sleep under a tree. After passing the forest spirit, they traveled a long distance into the innermost part of the forest. There, behind a large rock, Agastya found a wondrously glowing herb. Yes, that was Akasiyam. The herb sparkled with a kind of magical light. Beautiful small insects flew around it. Agastya's face lit up with joy. The monkeys also cheered enthusiastically. After taking the herb, Agastya carefully observed the place. There, behind that rock, he found a hidden path. The monkeys enthusiastically led him along that path. As they went along that path, they found an amazing place. It was a hidden waterfall. Its water sparkled like silver, and very green plants grew around it. The water of that waterfall was very clean and refreshing. Agastya realized that this was the place that would enhance the power of the herb. That waterfall, with its water, brought richness and fertility to the land. Agastya safely took the herb and returned with his loyal monkey troop. Upon returning to his abode, Agastya called the people, gave them the Akasiyam herb, and cured their diseases. Through this journey, Agastya understood not only the importance of knowledge and peace but also of good friends. The mischievous monkeys were also very happy to be with Agastya. Dear children, what did we learn from this story? No matter what we intend to do, if we have faith, perseverance, and good friends, we can easily overcome any challenge. We should always have a goal in life. Furthermore, we should always respect nature and its wonders.